A bill that will ensure fundamental rights to Pakistan's transgender citizens has stirred up a controversy, as religious groups argue that if passed, the law will legalize same-sex marriages and homosexuality in the country. The Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act, passed by Pakistan's lower house in 2018, is currently in the Senate. If passed, the law will prohibit discrimination against transgender people in schools, workplaces, and public spaces, as well as ensure their right to vote, inherit property, and run for public office. Senators from religious political parties, the Jamaat-e-Islami and Jamiat-ul-Islam Pakistan, insist the bill is against Islamic tenets and should be immediately amended. Social media users and conservative politicians accuse the bill of permitting gender reassignment surgeries, same-sex marriages, and cross-dressing. They also claim that since 2018, when the bill was passed by the National Assembly, over 23,000 people have changed their genders. But in reality, the claim that the legislation will allow men to change their gender to female and women to male on official documents is incorrect. The Act clearly defines a transgender person as one who is intersex with a mixture of male and female genital features, or a eunuch assigned the male gender at birth, but undergoes castration, or a trans person whose gender identity differs from the sex they were assigned at birth. The rules to the Act further clarify that a transgender person will have to approach the National Database and Registration Authority for a change of name or gender on identity documents, as per their self-perceived identity. And the authority will only alter their gender from female to the category X or male to the category X. X symbolizes the third sex in Pakistan, a classification specially created for the trans community on the orders of the Supreme Court in 2009. The Act or the rules do not allow men to change their gender to female or vice versa on their CNIC, passport, or other travel documents. The claim that the bill will permit same-sex marriages and gender change surgeries is false. There is no mention in the Act or the rules of marriage or gender-affirming surgeries. Several social media users further argue that since 2018, 23,000 people have changed their genders, as per their wishes. Our sources couldn't find any data or evidence to support this claim. In fact, Jamaat-e-Islami's Senator Mushtaq Ahmed, who has been vocally opposing the bill, had asked the Interior Ministry in November 2021 for the total number of applications received by authority for issuance of gender change certificates between July 2018 and June 2021, to which then Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed clarified that National Database and Registration Authority does not issue gender change certificates. However, gender is modified on official documents due to medical reasons or on request of transgender persons, he added, as per documents seen by the fact check. He further provided a breakdown of 28,723 trans people whose gender had been changed by the National Database and Registration Authority.